Okay, so this is Tris Grey Wolf again, and this is May Wolf. And I'm going to explain who we are, just who we are. Anyway, my personality is really just weird and crazy and everything else. I love books, anime, and I'm just completely a weirdo. And May Wolf can introduce herself.
Hi. I like to bite people sometimes and lick them. I think I'm weird and creepy.
No, you're not weird or creepy. You're just crazy. You're just adult.
I'm a doggy. By the way, I'm a dog.
Not in this video, please.
By the way, I'm a dog. By the way, I'm not human. I can transform into a dog anytime.
And see, this is exactly why I'm the same one.
And this is why I'm a little crazy and cats run away from me all the time.
I have 3 siblings. My mom and dad split up, and I live with neither of them. I live with my great-grandma and my dad's brother, my uncle. And I've taken care of my 3 siblings since I was in 3rd grade. I'm practically their mother. My big brother moved out when he was 17. He went to California, and I practically had a mental breakdown. Today's the last day of school. It's May 10th, and it kind of got emotional. I'm gonna be honest, it did.
You grin.
I honestly miss my best friends at school, and I'm kind of gonna be like upset because I'm not gonna see them for a while. And
whose turn is it? Hog?
Yeah.
Like hog.
Fine, I'll let May have some camera action. Or she'll talk.
So what am I supposed to be doing?
Just introduce yourself. Talk
Hi.
Act like you're talking to me. Because I know you can't shut up when you're talking to me.
But I want to bite you. It's more fun.
No biting in this one, please.
I like to bite my cousin sometimes because she always aggravates me about this boy
and
that
she
I like.
also has a boyfriend.
No, I don't. His name's Kenneth. And one day, kind of gave me popcorn and it had some in it. Not saying love letters much. Yes, it was love letters. Just telling you. Yep. He cannot draw worth nothing. He really can't draw. I'm serious.
Okay, so my best friends at
Camera Hog.
school, they kind of got upset today, and my teachers are quite fond of me.
Camera
I guess you
Hog.
could say I'm a teacher's pet.
Camera Hog. Teacher pet Camera Hog. She's such a camera hog. Yeah, and sometimes she kind of says some stuff that aggravates me.
Of course, we're cousins.
It's not
We're a lot like sisters.
Too much, I'll take more like it. I have a chubby face.
You just now noticed that?
Maybe.
I love your blush. It's freaking hilarious. I cannot speak today, so please don't judge. No.
When is this video gonna be over?
And I love Fairy Tale.
Natsu's so adorable. He's freaking sexy.
My.
I'm sorry. I'm telling the truth. Natsu's really cute.
I love Nalu. Nalu for life.
Natsu and Gray for life. Thank you.
Do
And
not
Lucy.
ship them. No.
And
That is
Lucy.
a big no.
No, and Lucy. I mean the team. I'm on their team.
Team Natsu.
Yes. Team Natsu for life. Huh. Traitor. Traitor. You're such a traitor to the Natsu. He's so cool.
I'm a big fairy tale fan, and like I have all the keys and everything. She's jealous. I love my dad. He used to work for Amazon, and then he quit. So yeah, he's got another job. He lives in Florida. And, he's getting married this month. I'm so happy.
Now who's being the camera hog?
You are.
Give me the camera. I want to be the.
It's my phone.
I want to be the camera hog. It's not fair.
This is an everyday thing.
Yeah, sure it is. When you're not being mean to me. And it's like that one song. She can't sing worth nothing, and neither can I.
You don't have to say that out here.
We both cannot sing worth nothing.
Don't listen to her.
Oh, yes, let's sing right now.
No. No. I'm not singing. I refuse.
Oh, short do. Oh, it's because you're crazy in the brain.
Oh man, I'm just messed up. there's something wrong up here, but not as bad as you.
I'm loony in the brain.
Help.
Loony. Oh, I'll just kidnap you. In the middle of the night. Oh. Okay, I'll just wait patiently. Camera hog. I'm such a camera hog. Hello.
Yeah, this is like an everyday thing. Hey, Maya. Kenneth. And notice how her face gets even more red than it is. I love my cousin. She's vicious though. Very,
Yeah.
very, very vicious. When she's in the mood, very affectionate.
Yeah.
It's always fun. Well, this is the Wolf Pack signing out.